Hi everyone, I am coming to you from the store today with a DIY. I am in what we call our DIY room. We have our paint in this green hutch. We have paint brushes, our Iron Orchid designs back here, and where you can't see, I have our recycled papers. All of those can be purchased on our website at midwestcharm.co or by contacting us on our Facebook page or through here too. I've got a couple videos I am recording today, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do first. All of the items used below are used in today's project. I will post below in the description so that you know what I used. I am unfortunately using one of our new Iron Orchid Designs Christmas transfers that is sold out. I kept one for me. I sold my second one that I had set aside for myself to one of my customers. I have the Fairy Merry Christmas left back there. I believe, I was gonna say, I think we have the gingerbreads, but I don't think we do. I'll check. It should be updated on the website what we have left. So if you guys go on there, you can check out what we have left from the Christmas release. Otherwise, we're going to be using this today. I'm going to be using Country Chic paint in Simplicity, as well as Country Chic's top coat. And then we are upcycling something I picked up in a thrift haul. I don't remember if I did a video for it, but we found this tree. And if this looks kind of familiar, it's because we did leaves very, very similar to this not that long ago. And when I saw this, I instantly grabbed it, threw it in the cart, and knew what I was going to do with it. So first things first, again, all items will be listed below. And let me move our camera down. I am doing multiple projects today. So we kind of got, let's see, there we go. Actually, let's move this down here so you guys can see. All right, so I am looking for my paintbrush I threw down here for the top coat. There it is. So I am going to seal this in with top coat first. I just want to seal in all the wood here, and yes, my top coat is kind of thick. I did not get the cap tight the last time I used it. It's still gonna work though, it's just gonna be a little thicker. So this will have to have some dry time because we wanna make sure this is completely dry before we move on to any of our other steps. So this is gonna seal in, hopefully, any bleed through. And just close up some of those pores so that when we go to paint the background of this, it's not just soaking up the paint. That it'll just sit on top of this and be just a really good backdrop for our transfer. And this is kind of gooping over, so I'm gonna quick do these little areas too. That got a goopy there. All right, and just about done. So this is gonna dry really good, and then we're gonna paint on some of that white paint. So our Santa that we are gonna use from our transfer set will pop. All right, we're gonna let that dry, you guys. I'll be right back. I'm going to apply 2 coats of Country Chic paint in Serenity, which is just a white. Then we're going to let that dry completely before we go ahead and apply our transfer. Y'all, I went to go edit, and 2 sections of my video are missing. So I'm not able to show you me painting the second coat of paint and talking about how it needs to be fully dried before we apply our transfer to it. I put the transfer down, I used the tool that comes with it, applied it, used my top of my velum to burnish that thing on really well. And then I did put a top coat over the top of it. And now you will see my end result. What do you guys think?